Hey guys, my name's Ronan. I'm one of the solar consultants at AVID Solar, and we're here with Don today to have a quick chat about his solar experience. So Don, tell me why you decided to get some solar.
Well, I've got a couple of battery cars, we've got to charge them up. Got the heated swimming pool, we use quite a bit of power here, and plus we're using the sun. Why not use that? It'll cut your power bills down, won't it?
And we've got your new export with Power Edge, the guys, so you're going to get paid some top dollar for what you export.
15 cents is pretty good.
So Don, how would you rate your overall experience with AVID?
It was very good. No problems, really. Once it started, it took 2 or 3 days and it was all done.
You became friends over the whole experience.
Yeah,
We're talking at least twice a week.
Yeah, at least twice a week it was, yeah.
And now he's taking the mickey out of me for the Irish losing in the rugby.
Nearly had your top team in there too.
Thanks, Don. We loved working with you. If you're thinking about solar, you've come to the right place. Have a look at our website, check out our reviews, and get in touch with one of our friendly solar specialists for a free quote today.